Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix login slash sync issues in health and fitness apps. So if you're having trouble with logging in such accounts, then you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, I'll walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. First, go ahead and open App Store and search for the app you're looking for. Then see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, open your settings app and then search for storage, and then scroll down for the app that you are looking for. Then click on the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now what you can do is, if none of that works, you can scroll down and then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that also works, and then try logging into your app account again. And if none of that works, what you have to do is delete and reinstall your app with all the latest files and bug fixes, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.